What is the executor fee or commission, and should you take one when you are in charge of an estate? Now, the executor fee is the commission based on the amount of the estate, right? So, this is a fee or commission that the head of a estate is entitled to take when they are, in fact, handling an estate, right? Should you take this fee? Now, I can't comment on that because I don't know you personally watching this video. I don't know your family. I don't know the dynamics. I don't know if you feel like you're even entitled. But this video is just to let you know that you do have the right to the fee. And based on attorneys I've talked to, it's best to see if you want to take a fee towards the end of you settling an estate. This is why. A lot of people, when they put in charge of an estate, they have no idea what they are fiduciary, they have the fiduciary responsibility to do, right? Which means that you have a legal responsibility to do your best by the estate in layman's terms. Again, I'm not an attorney. I'm not a tax professional. This isn't tax advice. This isn't legal advice. However, I do help families in Essex County navigate the non-legal tasks because based on my business, I've seen many transactions where people are handling the estate and frankly, they need help, right? So usually people don't understand how much it's going to take to settle in an estate. So it's best to kind of see where you are on if you want to take the fee towards the end of your many responsibilities, right? Now, the guidelines are as followed, right? You could take 5% on the first 200,000 in value of the estate, right? Then 3.5% on the excess of 200,000 up to $1 million, right? And then 2% of everything over $1 million, right? So based on your family's estate, you can plug those numbers in. Again, it's 5% on the first 200,000, right? 3.5% on anything over 200,000 up to $1 million, right? And then 2% on everything over $1 million. So this is just a quick video on what the executor fee slash commission is. Are you entitled to it? Should you take it? If you got any value from this video, go ahead and like. And if you're handling an estate and there's homes in the estate that you guys are thinking about selling, you just want to get a little bit more insight on what the process will look like once you've inherited a home, just contact me. I have a video link. I have a link below for like a video call, and I can get you on my calendar, and we could just talk about this date. I got referrals, and I can help you with all of the mini tasks, the non-legal tasks that you might be in charge of when you are settling this date. Thank you guys for watching this video.